work and leaving the store. I'm actually going to talk about a couple of reasons why I don't park over here. And of course, one of them, people leave shopping carts over here. And that's not the main reason. But the main reason is there's these tree stands over here. And you have all this construction going on over here as well. And the bike rack is pretty much parked right next to a hazard area. So, and I have heard cases of these falling over. So, and I really don't want them falling over on my bike when bad weather hits. So, that, and then of course looking back that way, though, you've got people putting shopping carts there, and I've seen them even put the carts there on the sidewalk, you know, just as I'm going out. And going over the curb, I don't like to do it very often. I have done it, I just don't feel comfortable doing it, so I go down there and I go out the ramp on that side. As you can tell, I'm parked right next to a light pole here, and have it all chained up. It doesn't get as much attention over here as I did when I had it over there, and I kind of like it parked over here so it's kind of hidden away from all the foot traffic and people coming up and looking at it and thinking it's for sale. But anyway, I've just got it locked up right here, and I really don't have to cover it anymore since it's kind of hidden. So anyway, I just thought I'd kind of show you guys what all was going on with things, and you know, kind of get a little bit better explanation for you guys in the group as to what's going on. So that, and I did get this fixed. We zip tied the chain guard to the frame, and then I've got another guide for the chain coming, and so that's going to be able to lower it and keep that chain from scraping up on the frame. So I got that all fixed and taken care of. But other than that, things are going pretty well, and I did get the bracket fixed on the pedal system. It's right down there next to the pedals. It's this black thing right here that they had to take the whole crankset off and tighten that up. So that's all tightened up, and it's pedaling pretty good. So, but anyway, again, just thought I'd let you guys know what's all going on, and stay tuned for more info and more videos later. And it's Friday, and I'm heading home, so we'll see you around.